Hey guys, here I am with a super recipe today. Egg Biryani. A perfect lunch to make when you have no idea of what to cook. It's so simple that you can make it under 20 minutes and serve deliciousness to your family without much efforts. Let's get started. Firstly, soak 2 cups of basmati rice in water for at least 30 minutes. Now take a pan and add generous amount of ghee, and add the following spices to hot ghee. Half tablespoon turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon of chili powder. 1 tablespoon of pepper. 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix and boil 2 minutes. Now add 5 boiled eggs. And a few coriander leaves too. Stir and saute the boiled eggs on spiced ghee until the outer layer gets roasted. It might take about 5 minutes to get roasted. Keep it aside. Now let's start the biryani process. Start by adding essential spices to oil. Add for onions. Two tomatoes. For green chilies. 3 tablespoons of salt. Stir, close the lid and simmer 10 minutes. Two tablespoons of chili powder. 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. 1 tablespoon of pepper. 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. 3 tablespoons of curd. 2 tablespoons of lemon extract. Stir, close the lid and simmer 15 minutes. Fifteen minutes later, add 3 cups of water. Mint leaves. Coriander leaves. Once the water comes to boil, add the soaked rice. Now add the fried eggs. Close the lid and put on whistle. Let it cook for 2 whistles in full flame and 1 whistle in simmer. And don't open the cooker for 30 minutes. Hey guys, it's now ready to serve. Serve it with raita or desired desserts for better taste experience. Do follow Cooking Campus CC for more such appetizing recipes.